Thinking of visiting Skiathos in 2024 but not sure where to start? With over 60 beaches, vibrant nightlife, and an island full of cultural and natural gems, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this ultimate Skiathos travel guide, we're going to explore the very best of this Greek paradise. Located in the northwest Aegean Sea, Skiathos is part of the Sporades archipelago. This little island packs a punch. Whether you're looking for turquoise waters, lush pine forests, or a mix of history and nightlife, Skiathos has it all. Known for its incredible beaches, and as the backdrop for the movie Mamma Mia, this island is both a relaxation haven and an adventure lover's dream. First things first, how do you get around? Skiathos may be small, but it's hilly, and walking everywhere isn't always ideal. Renting a scooter, car, or ATV is your best bet for exploring the island at your own pace. There's also a local bus that runs regularly along the southern coast, where most of the popular beaches and towns are located. The bus route is affordable and convenient, with stops every 20 minutes or so. Start your day by exploring Skiathos Town, the bustling heart of the island. This picturesque town is full of winding streets, traditional whitewashed houses, and vibrant bougainvillea. Begin at Papadiamantis Street, the town's main thoroughfare. Named after the famous Greek writer Alexandros Papadiamantis, it's lined with cafes, boutiques, and souvenir shops. Be sure to visit the Papadiamantis house, now a museum, to get a glimpse into the life of this iconic figure. It's small but well worth a stop for a bit of local culture. From here, take a short walk to the old port. You'll spot traditional fishing boats bobbing in the water, and the atmosphere is serene in the morning. Grab a coffee at one of the harbour-side cafes and take in the view. If you're into photography, the colourful boats and sea reflections are perfect for some great shots. Before leaving Skiathos Town, visit Bortzi, a small peninsula that juts into the harbour, offering incredible views of the sea. This area was once a Venetian fortress and is now a cultural centre. It's a peaceful spot to escape the town's hustle and bustle for a bit. Let's head to the beach, because Skiathos is all about beaches. First up is Koukounaries Beach, arguably the island's most famous. Located about 20 minutes from Skiathos Town by bus or car, this beach is known for its golden sand and crystal clear waters. It's surrounded by a pine forest, giving it a unique backdrop, and there are plenty of sunbeds and beach bars to keep you refreshed. For a quieter experience, check out Agia Eleni Beach, just a 5-minute drive from Koukounaries. Agia Eleni is a bit more laid back, perfect for those looking to escape the crowds. The sunsets here are spectacular, so if you're still around in the evening, you're in for a treat. Looking for a hidden gem? Try Mandraki Beach, located on the northern coast. You'll need a car or ATV to get there, but the trip through the forest is part of the adventure. This beach is quieter than Koukounaries and offers more of a wild beach feel. After a morning of exploring and beach hopping, it's time to eat. A great lunch option in Skiathos Town is Meltemi Brunch Cafe. This spot is highly rated for its delicious Greek breakfast and lunch offerings, including salads, sandwiches, and classic Greek specialties like tzatziki and souvlaki. With a cozy atmosphere and friendly service, it's perfect for a casual lunch. It's open throughout the day, so you won't face any issues with timing. If you're near the beaches, check out Under the Pine Tree close to Koukounaries. This laid-back spot is perfect for an affordable, delicious meal. The gyros, kebabs, and traditional Greek dishes are all highly recommended. Plus, the relaxed outdoor setting, literally under pine trees, adds a unique charm to your meal, making it a must-visit after a day at the beach afternoon. In the afternoon, take some time to explore Skiathos' cultural side. Head to the Evangelistria Monastery, just a 15-minute drive from Skiathos Town. This 18th century monastery played a significant role in Greece's War of Independence, and it's a peaceful place to learn a bit about local history. You can also taste and buy local products like olive oil, honey, and wine, made by the monks. From the monastery, you're close to one of the island's most unique spots, Kastro, the old medieval capital of Skiathos. Perched on a cliff on the northern side of the island, Kastro offers stunning views and the ruins of a once thriving fortress town. It's a bit of a hike to get there, but the views are more than worth it. If you're up for a little adventure, Kastro is a must-see. For a more leisurely afternoon, book a boat tour around the island. Many tours leave from the old port in Skiathos Town and take you to some of the harder-to-reach beaches, like Koukounaries Beach, famous for its white pebbles and towering cliffs. You can also visit the nearby islands of Skiathos and Shiathos on a day trip if you're feeling adventurous. After a day of sun and exploration, it's time for dinner. For something special, head to the Windmill restaurant, located above Skiathos Town. As the name suggests, this restaurant is housed in a historic windmill, and the views over the town and harbour are unbeatable. The menu focuses on fresh, local ingredients, with a mix of Greek and Mediterranean dishes. Try the fresh fish of the day or the lamb cooked in herbs. It's divine. If you want something more casual but equally delicious, check out Bakaliko, a small taverna known for its traditional Greek dishes. The kleftiko, slow-cooked lamb, is a local favourite, and the relaxed, friendly atmosphere will make you feel right at home. Once the sun sets, Skiathos comes alive with a lively nightlife scene. Head back to Skiathos Town, where the old port area turns into the hub of evening activity. Start your night at Borzoi, one of the island's most popular bars. This chic spot offers great cocktails and an even better atmosphere. It's located in an old courtyard, and the music ranges from lounge to upbeat depending on the time of night. For something a bit more low-key, try La Bussola, a cozy bar with stunning views over the harbour. They serve excellent cocktails, and it's the perfect spot to wind down your day while watching the lights of the boats in the port. If you're looking to dance the night away, BBC Beach Bar near Koukounaries is the place to go. It's one of the island's best spots, with live DJs dancing and drinks flowing late into the night. So, that's a wrap. Skiathos may be small, but it's packed with things to do. From exploring ancient ruins and hidden beaches, to dining on some of the best food in Greece. Whether you're looking for a quiet getaway or an adventure-filled holiday, Skiathos truly has something for everyone. Which activity are you most excited to try in Skiathos? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more insider tips for traveling Greece, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.